Chapter 13, Stress and Health. Stress is the events and stimuli that threaten us, how we assess them, and our psychological reaction. Stressors are the events and stimuli that threaten us. Stress evaluation is the cognitive system that assesses events that threaten us. Stress response is the psychological response of the body to the assessment of the threat. Lie detector tests detect stress, not lies. A polygraph is a lie detector, a device that monitors several psychological measures such as respiration, heart rate, blood pressure, and electrical conductance of the skin. The physiology of the stress response is similar across all mammals. The general adaptation syndrome is the system connecting stress and disease throughout a series of stages. The alarm reaction is the activation of the sympathetic nervous system, including the release of hormones as the initial response to stress. The adaptation stage is the return to normal following an alarm reaction. The exhaustion stage is the increased susceptibility to disease and possible death that follows prolonged or frequently repeated stress. Cortisol is a hormone from the adrenal gland that is released in response to stress. The adrenal gland is an endocrine gland atop the kidney which releases hormones in response to stress. Not everyone responds to stress in the same way. Previously handled rats secreted less corticosteroid in a variety of adult stressors. Stress immunization is the concept that mild stress early in life makes an individual better able to handle stress later in life. Research indicates that early stress is only beneficial if the individual is comforted afterward. The gentle tactile stimulation from a mother was crucial for stress immunization effect. Lack of maternal response early on in life appears to exert negative effects on adult stress. Lack of control and unpredictability make unpleasant events even more stressful. How stressed we feel in response to some events depends on how we perceive that event. There's two characteristics that add to stress: the lack of control and unpredictability. More control, less stress. Monkey shock experiment and rats of predictability. Health psychology explores the relationship between physical and mental health. Health psychology examines the psychological, social, and biological factors that influence physical and mental health. People who experience life events that are stressful are more likely to suffer physical ailments.